So, what is user-centered design? To be honest, I find this question a little bit hard for me to answer because I'm not still very experienced. But according to my understanding, user-centered design is trying to find out the real problems the users are facing, and based on their real needs, based on our empathy, we try to solve this problem in a very creative and iterative way. So according to this definition, I would like to highlight 2 points. First is to fully fully is very difficult, to deeply understand our users, because it is very common that the users actually don't know what their real needs are. For example, somebody may find the designers and say, hey, we would like you to help us to design, to redesign, let's say, a sink, because I want to wash the dishes in a more efficient way. But what he needs may not be a helpful sink. What he needs is maybe a dishwasher. So we should do a really good job in user research step to help them realize what they really need. And the second point is to solve this problem in a creative and iterative way. So this could be a back and forth process. We may need to move backward and then move forward. And when I try to define what is user-centered design, I try to think about its opposite. Maybe that's technology-centered design. So what's the difference between them? I think the starting points are different. Like user-centered design starts with the users to see what the user's demand is, but technology center may be, let's say, a new technology is emerging, and like some company will say, oh hey, this technology is so cool, we need to use it. So I think the user-centered design process would help us to avoid the situation that we're using the technology for technology's own sake. So it needs to be really helpful in order to make the technology really cool.